Hey guys, how's it going? I just wanted to wish everybody a happy new year. Let you know that I'm alive and get this drawing done for the giveaway. I know that ended back on the 15th, but I got real sick and then the kids got real sick. It's just been crazy. I hope to have some projects out soon. I need to get back out in the shop now that I've started to feel better. But until then, let's go ahead and get to this drawing and get that book out to the lucky winner. I'll talk to you guys real soon.
I was really excited to see that the engagement on this was so much more than my last giveaway. So I'm just going to go ahead to click into this actual one. We had, over 1,700 entries, which is awesome. I'm going to go here and I'm just going to check and make sure this is recording, and then we'll get to the winner. So the winner is Jake Jones. I went ahead and reached out to him already, and he's gotten back to me. He chose the Way of Kings, so I'm going to get that out in the mail to him. Thanks for everyone who entered, and I hope you stick around for some more videos.